The broadcast station or cable system has issued an administrative message for the following counties/areas. DeSoto, MS, at 8:37 p.m. on February 10th, 2021, effective until 8:37 p.m. February 11th, 2021. Message from Blizzard. This is an important announcement from the WDFA radio management. This message is for local listeners in DeSoto County. DeSoto County schools will be closed tomorrow, Thursday, February 10th, 2021, due to the ice storm warnings issued by the National Weather Service in Memphis. Icy conditions will result in dangerous or impossible travel for DeSoto County schools transportation. As a result, DeSoto County schools will be closed tomorrow for both face-to-face students and virtually attending students. To repeat, DeSoto County schools is closed tomorrow. However, should conditions warrant through the weekend and into the return date, Tuesday, February 16th, school will resume regardless of winter weather conditions through distance learning.